Now I would want you to open exercise 0303, which is average if and average ifs. Now the similar set of data that we are using in earlier videos also, we have month, sales, person, product, units and sales, and we have in total 2 questions that we need to solve down: average sales in dairy and average units of produce in May. Answers are already given on the right hand side. We just need to apply the formula. Now I would want you to pause this video and do these couple of questions by yourself, and then you can cross check it. I'm going to solve it right now. So the first question is average sales in dairy. So it's an average on the basis of a condition which is dairy. So average sales in dairy. So we are going to use the formula which is equals to average if, range criteria and average range. So range will be product, that is the complete range, because there we have the word dairy. So we'll select it till the end, comma, criteria will be dairy. So let me select a cell which is dairy, comma, average range. We need the average of sales. So that is why this is going to be our average range. So we'll close down the bracket here itself and we'll press enter. So just have a look. We have the correct answer, which is 4926, although it has 2 decimal places. So let me increase it. I'll click on this cell and then I can increase the decimal places by clicking it once and again. Now the next question is average units of produce in May. So read the question carefully. It has 2 criteria. Produce is basically a kind of a product. So produce, and that would be in May. So we need the formula which is Average-ifs. Average-ifs. So let me select it by pressing tab. Now average range. Average, we need the average of the units. So that is why units will be our average range. So let me select it. I'll press comma and then criteria range 1, comma criteria 1, criteria range 2, comma criteria 2, and so on. So let me start with the first condition, which is produce, and produce is in products. So let me select the range for the products first, comma. Now we are standing on criteria 1. So criteria related to criteria range 1 will be produce. So let me go up and select any cell that contains the word produce, comma, criteria range 2. That is for May, the range will be months. So let me select it, comma, criteria 2 will be the word May, that is coming in the column month. So let me go down. I cannot see May right now. And there we go. We have the word May. Let me select it and I'll close down the bracket and I press enter. So that is 4126 and coming in the same formatting. Thank you.